What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to rename your pet in Lost Ark. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. While playing Lost Ark, use the shortcut Alt and P to open up your pet panel. From here, click on this pen icon and you can enter the new pet name. In this same panel, you can also change your auto loot, pet effect and pet function options. The default settings are fine when starting out, but you might want to change the item tier setting to tier 2 to prevent your pet inventory from filling up too quickly later in the game. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.